Stop. I said stop, slow down, reflect. Just see what is draining your energy. Let me tell you, what is draining your energy is not what you are doing. You heard me right. Hi, I am Luminary Coach Charanjeet Vaid NLP. Today I'll cast a light on what is draining your energy. What is draining your energy is not what you are doing. Your energy is drained by what you are tolerating unnecessarily. We all have something that we are hiding in the layers in us, and those are becoming step by step trauma for tomorrow. Those unspoken conversation, those half fixed aspects that you are keep struggling with and not coming out with it, that is echoing in the background, those heavy emotion weight that you are having, mental clutter. Today I want you to do a simple practice. Make a list of all the things that you are being drained by tolerating them, which is not for you, not meant for you. Maybe it is unshared conversation, unspoken words, cluttered cabinet, overdue task, which is giving you guilt. Don't just fix it, just acknowledge it. As you acknowledge it, step by step, you will overcome this as well. So let's break down from this aspect of tolerating so much, bring it in the awareness and make it out from the dark room where you have kept it inside, and that is getting loaded and becoming a heavy baggage. What they say, what you can't name, you can't change. I heard this when my mentor also said once, decades ago. So today I want to ask you to question yourself, what is that is nagging you and you haven't resolved it yet? When I say yet, it means you are going to resolve it today, step by step, making a note of it, what comes in your mind, which is draining you, draining your energy that you are tolerating. Just write it down with no filters. And if you are the one who has joined me on this video for the first time, let me share with you, this is a 88-day challenge where I invite you to slow down, reset, realign, and make a one mindful habit, micro habit. Take a one step ahead, and as you take one step ahead, you will climb this ladder of making a mind shift in you. When you do this, it's not only you are doing in your environment, you are teaching to your spouse, to your kids, even to your parents, how to release what is not meant for you. In today's practice, once you do it, you will feel lighter in you. And if you feel that this is helping you to make a lighter room for you in your environment, then make sure you show up again tomorrow and you share this with someone who is losing themselves step by step, having those unresolved matters in them. Share this video with them. It will lift the weight off their shoulders and make them feel light. We'll be peeling another layer tomorrow. Until then, keeping the curiosity alive, making sure that you will make release of this weight that you are having inside of tolerating which is not meant for you. And remember, what is not meant for you is giving you disease, making your internal organs disease, and making you ready to have this trauma in you. And when we say this trauma comes in you, it goes in your environment, in your personal environment and professional environment. Let's not pile up again those baggages which are not meant for us. Leave them away. Drop them away step by step, making yourself light in you, for you, being you, and for your good tomorrow. Because these, when gets heavy, they make a heavy clouds to cast, and you never know what they are going to give you in future, what kind of disease they will give you. I will also suggest you can DM me to have one clarity session, maybe a life coaching session, clarity session to ease you up. And If you resonate with me here, drop in a message, clarity, and I will give you a call. Maybe we'll connect on social media handles. And by doing this exercise, you will feel the new version coming in you. I have made this 88-day practice so that you can venture in 2026 by adopting every day one new micro habit that will make a grand shift in your grand spectrum. It is that we don't cover the miles in one day. One step at a time help us to cover those miles. And I learned this very hard in my life from my mentors, and when I hiked the strange lands which even I didn't researched, I learned this there also. One step at a time helps you to cross miles. It is not miles that you cross outside, it is the miles that you cross inside, which gives you a bigger view to see what you are, what is meant for you. So this toleration is not meant for you. Make a list of professional and personal toleration which you are tolerating till now, and maybe from now onwards you are not going to tolerate anymore. The thing which is nagging you will be released today, and keeping the curiosity alive for tomorrow. Until then, stay motivated to pen down what is not meant for you, what was not meant for you, but you were keeping from years within you. Release those toleration trauma from you. With this, see ya. Stay happy. Keep yourself light in version of you inside.